Good.
Are you planning on going anywhere for vacation?
Yes, I'm planning to travel to Indonesia with my family.
That's good. I I have I haven't been anywhere in Asia.
You should try traveling to Asia. There are so many amazing places to visit and tasty food to eat in there.
Yes, I think I saw. What Asian countries have you traveled to?
So far, we've been to Japan, Chinese, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, Turkey, and some Southeast, some Southeast Asia countries.
Wow, that's a lot.
Yes, I know. I really love traveling to Asia country.
Wow, enough?
Enough, sir.
Wow, that's great. Thanks a lot. Give applause, Arya. Applause. Deck. Alright. Okay, everyone. Those are my students. They are students of passing schools in front of Majalah Siumbut. And if you want to learn, you can come here, come to passing schools in front of Majalah Siumbut. And don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Thank you, Arya.
Yes.
Thank you, Jude. All right, you can back to your seat.